I'm a perfectionist. I'm called other words as well. I think if there's a rough job, then the opposition can do that one. We like to do the one that people are happy with. If the quality's not there, then I don't really even want to be associated with it. I'm Roger Hamilton. I own RAMEC. We do specialised earth moving. The Faber boxes we've had for many years. They're all reliable. We take them up in the hills. They bash their way all around the countryside, and we haven't had a failure in all the time we've had one. We like to think that we do a good job regardless of what the terrain is. So I mean, some of it's really steep, it's really slippery, and you want it so that when you get to this area, the box is still on the back, not tools scattered all over the place. I'd rather go short than have the wrong person. I'd rather go short than have the wrong gear. And the equipment we use, the tools we use, the toolboxes we use, everything has to be right. It's 100% reliable.